In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated reminders in Smartsheet. Automated reminders are a great way to keep tasks from slipping through the cracks, especially if you're managing deadlines or collaborating with a team. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a reminder rule set up and ready to go. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to set up your reminders. Make sure you're in the sheet view, not a report or a dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the option labeled Automation along that top bar. Go ahead and click on Automation. This is where all of your workflow rules, including reminders, are created and managed. When the Automation menu opens, you'll see several options. Instead of building a workflow from scratch, we're going to use one of Smartsheet's built-in templates to make things faster and easier. Click on Create from Template. This tells Smartsheet that you want to use a pre-configured workflow as your starting point. A list of workflow templates will appear. From this list, look for the option called Remind Someone. This template is designed specifically for sending reminder notifications based on dates or conditions in your sheet. Click on Remind Someone to select it. After you select the template, you'll see a button or option that says Use Template. Click on Use Template to create a new workflow based on that reminder setup. Smartsheet will now open the workflow editor with the basic structure already in place for you. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to choose who should receive the reminder, which rows or conditions should trigger it, and when it should be sent. For example, you might select a contact column so the reminder goes to the person assigned to the task, and then set it to send a reminder a few days before the due date. Take a moment to read each prompt carefully and make sure the conditions match the way you work. You can adjust details like timing, filters, and the message text so the reminder makes sense to the person receiving it. Once you've completed the prompts, save the workflow. Your automated reminder is now active, and Smartsheet will handle the notifications for you based on the rules you just set up.